I will show you how to make leafless motif. Start with 10 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One chain. Start the first stitch with single crochet. And one half double crochet. Make 6 double crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one half double crochet. And single crochet. One side finish. Start other side with one chain, and the first stitch start the same like this side. Start with single crochet. Half double crochet. And 6 double crochet. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, half double crochet. One chain, the last one chain, and slip stitch the last chain.